Friends, today's topic is what is cardinal number and what is the properties of set. If you haven't watched the previous videos based on operations on set and types of set and set introduction, so click on I button. So the first thing is what is cardinal number of a set? The number of elements present in a set called its cardinal number. Okay, मतलब किसी भी सेट में जब जो एलिमेंट प्रेजेंट होते हैं उनकी काउंटिंग को हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे, कार्डिनल नंबर. ओके, सो फॉर एग्जांपल इफ ए हैज सी डी एफ 3 elements, then the cardinal number of the set is 3. Okay, this is present by this n, so we can say that n a equal to 3, but it is not a right way to tell the cardinal number. So we say that number of element present in set A equals to 3. Okay, so we move on to next topic, what is properties of the set. So the first property of set is commutative property. So in this property the first one is A union B equal to B union A. Means मतलब जब A यूनियन B के जो एलिमेंट्स होंगे वो किसके बराबर होने चाहिए, B यूनियन A के. सो इसे हम लोग एक एग्जांपल से समझेंगे. सेट A इक्वल टू 1 2 3 4 एंड सेट B हैज 5 6 7 8 4 elements and we put that LHS equal to A union B. So we combine both of the set 1 2 3 4. What is union of the set? The combination of two or more sets is called union of the set. So we combine that two sets 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and what is RHS? B union A. One also combine the two sets 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so here we clearly see that A union B also equal to, so here we clearly see that A union B equal to B union A. Okay, so next we move on to other property. So we move on to other property, A union A so we move on to other property, A intersection B equal to V intersection A. So we understand by it an example. So we see that set A has 4 elements A B C D and set B has also 4 elements C D E F. So we do as per the property given. So we put A intersection B. So what is A intersection B? The common elements between two sets A and B. So we clearly see that C and D is common between them. So C and D is the common element. And next after, what is B intersection A? So B intersection A is also the common element between them. There are also two elements C and D are common between them, so we put C and D are common between them. Okay, so we clearly see that A intersection B equals to B intersection A. So we clearly say that the union of the sets and the intersection of the sets is follow the commutative property. Okay, so the next property is associative property. So in the first thing we see that A union in bracket B union C equal to A union B in bracket union C. Okay, so we understand by it an example. So the set A has A, B, C and 3 elements and set B has C, D, E 3 elements and set C has also 3 elements E, F, G. Okay, so we put the LHS part A union B union C, okay, equals to A union B union C. Okay, in this we firstly do that B union C. So what is B union C? B union C is combined that two sets. So we combine two sets C, D, E and E, F, G. So here it is C, D, E, F and G. And next A union B. A union B. What is A union B? A, B, C, D, E and union C. Okay. So we move on to next line. So what is A union and this set? Okay. What comes after B union C? Okay. So A. So you can A, B, and also A, B, C, D union C, E, F, G. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay. So the next property is A intersection in bracket B intersection C equals to in bracket A intersection B and intersection C. Okay. So we understand by it an example. We put A equal to 1, 2, 3 and B equal to 3, 4, 5 and C equals to 5, 6, 7. So in the first LHS part, A intersection B intersection. So what is B intersection C? B intersection C is the common element between them. So the common element between B and C is 5. So it is set. And the RHS part, A intersection B. So what is common between them? So common is 3 between them and intersection C. Okay. So A intersection. So what is A intersection 5? So A intersection this set, no element common between them. So it is 5. And also this intersection C. So what is set C? Set C equal to 5, 6, 7. Okay. So no element common between them. So it is. So the answer of the given expression is 5. Okay. So LHS equal to RHS. Hope you understand this. We are studying about distributive property, De Morgan's law and complement law. So hope you like the video and subscribe the channel Education Hub.